Metropolis. Nowadays, it is a common word indeed, but what does this expression really entail? Political, economic, cultural, and tourist centers. The headquarters of global brands and multinational companies. Also, foreign capital investments primarily focus on metropolises, and therefore, the majority of job opportunities are in big cities too. But is this really a situation to be jealous of? Well, for some, it is most certainly exactly that. But behind the facades of fancy boutiques on posh avenues and elegant cafes, the inhabitants of today's metropolises have to face serious issues too. Let's sneak a peek behind the scenes and see the journey they have made and what the people of future cities will have to be prepared for. In 1800, there was only one city on the planet with a population of over 1 million, and that was London. At the time, a total of 20 million people were living in the world's 100 largest cities, and the cities took up no more than a few thousand acres. Today, more than 200 million people live in the world's 10 largest cities. By the beginning of the 21st century, half of humanity lived and worked in cities. So the human race has reached a point without precedent in evolution. Soon, it will completely turn into an urban species. The numbers tell us the same story. That is, today the exceptionally fast growth of cities is one of the most important issues we have to face. The growth of the urban population is 3 times faster than that of the whole population. Cities are the driving force of economic advancement. Job opportunities attract people from the country to the cities like magnets. However, cities play a significant role in the dramatic decline of the Earth's environmental condition. Their major economic activity and the growing consumption among the dense urban population devour a growing number of natural resources. Cities, which take up more than 2% of the planet's continents, use up to 3/4 of the Earth's resources, and their waste production is just as dramatic. But we can also take air pollution as an example. On a local level, emissions of toxic gases represent the kind of problem that most of the world's metropolises have to face. So the most pressing challenge of humanity in the 21st century is most certainly the sustainability of urban development. And this is where the constant advancement of technology comes into the picture. There actually are a number of environmentally friendly technologies that can contribute to the sustainability of cities. Energy supply systems that merge renewable energy sources with traditional ones are at our disposal and are suitable for supplying power to city buildings. New materials and construction methods make it possible to improve the energy efficiency of urban edifices. The environmentally friendly way of developing the infrastructure is essential to healthy life in the city. Furthermore, we can also save a huge amount of resources via recycling. The aim is to turn cities into self-supporting systems with a cycle-based metabolism. Urbanization has certainly altered the face of the world and people's living conditions. Is our planet able to adjust to this urbanized human race? And also, are we humans able to adapt to one another given the high population density? If we pay attention to each other and our environment, the answer to that question can only be positive.